Good morning, all. Today I came with a new interesting topic or one of the use case we can discuss about that. So, what is the use case we need to discuss about that? Like, so we have a text in text file. So, based on the text, we need to convert into the data table. Okay, let's see how we can do it. Okay, before that, I need to show what is the input we have. Okay, so I have created one project here. Okay, let me go to the project folder. So this is my input file. Let me open it. So this is my data. Okay, this data, based on this data, I need to generate one data table. Like this is my first this is my name, this is my last name. So I need to create the two columns. Our output, like the word to capitalize the word method. Yes, I need output like this. Okay. This is I'm expecting the output. Okay, let's see how we can achieve. Let me save this file, close it, come into my UiPath Studio and bench. Okay, so our project is we need to generate the data table, right? So here, for the first step, we need to build our data table. First name, this is last. Okay, and here I can give. So I created. Go to this variable. Whenever you working any data variables, okay. For example, you want to work on data table, reals array, and dictionaries. So for avoiding null references, object null references error, you should initialize the uh, values in default section to avoid the errors. It's good practice to initialize the variables. Okay, I already initialized. So how we can initialize the data table? So this is the format: new space data table. Array, how we can initialize new string moon bracket parenthesis open parenthesis close parenthesis. Because my array is a string format, right? So that is what. So I created the variables, all variables required for the workflow. Let's read data from our text files using this activity management. Okay, pause it, store the variable in string data. Okay, so our goal is, based on our text, we need to create a data table, right? Using this activity we can achieve this. We have this activity to generate the new data table. So click on these options. For as of now, and I don't want all this. So I have unchecked it. Here the formats we have, if you want to convert to CSV, comma separate values, you can choose this one based on your requirement. If you want to customize this one, you can use customize. If you want to fix with up columns, you can new line separators. You can use these three. You are providing these three delimiters like space, tab, new line. Okay. So our see here in the we can preview the data table as well. Okay. Like for example, my string having 20 dumpa. So for example, your input look like this. So here I need to store these values new line, not like this, right? In this format. So space 20 space space. Let's this is the our input looks like this, right? So it won't be work. See, this is not our expecting. We need to create the two columns, right? Like first column and the last first name and the last. Under the headers, we need to provide us. Okay. These. So here we have a space, right? Based on the space, we need to split the columns. Select the space, remove tab, database. This is our input. See, it's generating right the table format. So let me create the sample input and close it. The table, right? We can pass our data table. For this, see, I don't want to disturb my actual data table. So here I can create one template for the temporary template. For the using this, we can manipulate the data in the workflow. So I stored in the template here. Okay. So after creating the template, let me drag for each row data table. Okay. Here I need to pass our template. Our main goal is I need to add my actual data table, right? Here I need to add the data, whatever I get it, right? For that, I need to add data into row. So here, current row dot item array, because item itself give this nil value, but here why I am choosing item array, you need to record contain the object, right? You can go see here when you are highlighting data row dot item array as object. Object means when it's a collection of row and column values. So that's why I given the item array here. Okay. And pass your data table name. Once it's done, here for your wish where you require to add data into the flow. So I here I'm for in this example I'm taking wide range workbook. After the loop I can give it because I need to store each record, right? So after that only it will work. If you put into the inside, it's override the data, it will show the last card only. You lose the uh, third row, second row, first row. It will showcase the fourth row only because we have a four rows in the of text file, right? So that is what. So here I need to create a file dynamically. Result place. So how like I'm creating the dynamically every day. So for example, second hand I don't want her to be overrated and get this. So I'm maintaining like this based on the dates. How dot to string. So if you this is will give the current date. Okay. For me, I can store like this format. DDMM. We create the file name. Create the sheet name as well. Sheet one. Path and run the flow. Run it. My project folder. Maximize it. See our data file name looks like this current date. This. See here. This is what, right? But as as I said in starting, I want this lowercase to capitalize the word, right? I need to looks like this. How we can do it? So now we are able to generate the data table. We can store this successfully in our table in our workbench. This is a one way to approach on it. Okay. So yeah, this is one way, and I can see that uh, we can do it in other approach as well. Let me delete this activity here and this one. So this is required for the second approach also. So let me drag assign activity. So here I need to here we same output we can achieve by using split method, string manipulations. Okay. Because our text is in the string format, right? So here I created the array variable. Here I am writing the expression string dot split. So how we can, before that I need to split it like this, right? So I'm using environment dot new line dot to char comma string split options dot remove empty rows. So this is my expression. Okay, let me save it. Take for each activity. Pause array data. Take assigned activities. So this here we can create in this container only we can create a multiple variables and store the values as well. Here I am creating array name. We create space names. New string no brackets no parentheses. Current item dot string dot split spaces. Okay. Control K. Passing the name here. Array name of 0 here. Control K. Last name here. String dot shine. Come on. Oops. Come on. Start. This is expression for the last. Okay. So passing the name. So we can choose based on your requirement lowercase, uppercase, sensitive case, capital each one. Last name. Choose capital. Review the text rate output. Wait. And data row here. Pass variables. Income must. So our workflow is executed successfully. Yes, right? Let's see our input file as well. See, this is my data in the text file. I created data table format from the text to the. So today we covered two approaches. We can do based on that use case or based on the coding experience. We can do multiple ways to achieve this thing. Okay, let me close all files. Yeah, that's all, friends. Today, thank you so much. If you like the content, please like and share and subscribe as well to my channel. Please support me. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. Happy automation. See you soon for the next new use case.